I almost done.
You need something, Mommy?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
My iPad's in the car.
In the car? Mama, it's raining so hard outside.
Wait, it's raining?
Yeah.
I don't hear.
You can't hear it?
No.
Yes, Mommy. Oh my god, this blue is so dark. I love it. Okay, there we go. Let's squeeze. Let's squeeze. That smells good. Is it making crystals? I feel like it's already making crystals. There's no way it's making crystals that fast. For the Renzo, where did she send? Did you send? She was laughing about it. She's like, girl, I go to TJ and buy them. Well, fucking pay for my gas too, and I'll fucking go buy more. This is what the fuck Mama J is talking about. Like, y'all want to be talking shit, but then you get clapped back, and then you fucking get butthurt. You get mad. Like, it's fucking dumb. And I know she was doing it on purpose. She doesn't even follow me. She was not following me. So no, she was not trying to bring me shit back. She was trying to be messy. I mean, laundry liquid. This Ariel smells so fucking bomb. Did you say you wanted to? Oh no. Fuck, I fucked up. Did you want me to say sorry? Wait. squeeze. I should add an epoxy. Should we add an epoxy now? And then we are gonna squeeze that rinso, which I'm so excited for because it smells so good. And oh fuck, I almost dropped it. Oh, it's so beautiful and it smells so good. I've been playing. Let's do some A's. Let's do some Ariel. Let's do some Ajax. And let's do some Rinso, which is pink. Let's squeeze. Oh my god, it smells so good in here. Let's do some dish soap and some of this Rinso pink. Let's do some Ariel and some dish soap. Some Rinso by itself. Oh baby, yes. This smells so good. Bing. I've literally used it like 3 times. and it's already ripping. Look, it's about to like rip from the middle. Can you see? Because of the suds. I don't know if you could see because of the suds. But look, like if I don't know what I did to it, but it's so beautiful. Like it's breaking my heart. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it. It's so beautiful. Okay. It's gonna rip. It's gonna rip already. I don't. Oh well. And I just bought it. Not even a month. Not even a month, and it's gonna say bye to me. No mames. That was an accident. It smells so good in here. I swear, a nail always knows how to pick. This Ariel and this Ace is so perfect together. We got some Ace. Let's add some Ariel. And let's add some green. They're so. Let's do it again. This time, let's do the pink with the baby blue. Ooh. All we're missing is Olaf. Yes. Oh, this shit smells so fucking bomb in here. I wish you guys can smell it. I still have powder left. A little bit powder. I still have Roma left. But we're doing the dish soap bombs. I'm almost done with the bombs. We're about to finish. The Ace is done. Hi, Ner. much for powder.